The moisture levels look perfect on this batch.
Audit day. Everything has to be flawless.
The AI sensors are calibrating the slice thickness in real time.
The temperature is steady. The color is exactly where it needs to be.
Efficiency is up 5% compared to yesterday's run.
Right.
We're moving to the final stage. Everything is on schedule.
Clear the loading dock. The first truck is pulling in now.
Great work today, Ming. Let's do it again tomorrow.
Systems are online. Time to start the morning calibration. The organic batch is 5 minutes out. We need the sprayers at maximum pressure.
Reducing slice thickness by 0.2 millimeters for better crispness.
The laser precision is spot on today. Minimum waste.
Salt distribution is perfectly even. Send them through to packaging.
We are ahead of schedule. The distributors will be pleased.
That's the last box. Batch logged and verified.
Load them up. Another perfect run for the team.
The sanitation cycle is complete. The sensors show zero residue.
Blade set 4 shows minor wear. We should schedule a replacement for next week.
Temperature is dropping. We'll be ready for the night clean in 30 minutes.
Seal pressure is within the 5% tolerance range. High quality.
We have enough stock to fulfill the northern region's orders by tomorrow morning.
0 defects and 5% higher yield. This was a record-breaking shift, Ming.
Tomorrow is a new day. Get some rest, colleague. Audit day. Everything has to be flawless.
The inspectors will be looking at the dirt-to-wash ratio. Let's keep the pressure high.
Slicing at 1.1 millimeters. The texture will be perfect.
Hold that temperature, not a degree higher.
Check the gas flush levels. Oxygen must be under 1%.
Batch 0001 is ready for dispatch. Log it.
Perfect score. That batch is gonna make history.
The export batch starts now. We keep the quality exactly where the audit found it.
Load verified. Quality looks excellent.
Setting the cut to 1.5 millimeter. Let's see the texture. Temperature is stable. The kettle cook cycle is looking good.
Perfect coverage. The heat level should be consistent now.
The new stacking pattern will maximize shipping space.
Row 7 is full. Start moving them to the primary dock.
The first shipment is on its way. Tomorrow, we do it all again.
The target for today is 20% higher than yesterday. Let's get the systems ready.
The first truck is backing in. Ming, make sure the water pressure is at maximum for this batch.
Synchronizing the laser sensors. The slice uniformity must be absolute for this export batch.
Temperature is stable at 180 degrees Celsius. The flow is perfect.
We're moving to bagging. Ming, keep an eye on the seal integrity.
Pallet 4 is complete, ready for the loading dock.
That's the first shipment away. We're on track for a record-breaking day.